Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and we have here another Mini Cooper situation. This is a 2010, pretty old, but it's in pretty good shape. The owner tries to take care of it as much as he can. He even tries to fix some things on his own, but obviously, he doesn't understand, the whole car. He doesn't have the experience, so he drops it with us sometimes so we can help him out. So we have these strange codes. There were about 10-12 different codes: misfires, knocks, and knocking. What else was it? I think one of the codes that actually I saw was the 2880 code. I think it's P2880, which is the high pressure fuel system. So in this case, he's actually lucky that the code is there, because he tried to fix this car on his own, and he changed the plugs and the coils. And I'm trying to explain to him that the misfires may not be even related to those things. So because we've been having these cars all the time here with almost the same type of a situation, the first thing, of course, I'm going to show you is before, if you end up in this situation, before you actually, try to do anything, replace any parts, try to diagnose this first. And where I am right now is in the screen where I can see live data on the actual high pressure fuel pump. That's the mechanical pump close to the engine or attached to the engine. Remember, on the newer cars, they have the direct fuel injection. You have the low pressure pump in the back in the tank, and then you have the one in the front, that the high pressure one. And all these different codes, I'll attach a picture of the codes, because I just erased the codes, because that's one thing that you do with German cars. You have to erase them and try to see what's gonna show up. And then I realized that I wanted to make the video, but that's fine. I'll attach, I already took a picture, I'll attach a picture of the codes. And what I'm trying to show you here, and so you can pay attention to this, is these two values. That's your actual value of the rail pressure in PSI, and the set point value. That's what the computer is it's telling the the system or the car to use. Now this is already kind of strange. This should be around the 600-700 PSI. We're going up to 1,000 at idle point. Then you have to push the gas a little bit so you can see where this goes, and it's supposed to go slowly higher and higher and higher, like in this case. But as you can see, now all of a sudden it went, so I'm revving it up, but this thing went back to where it's supposed to, where like it was almost at idle. So that's the situation. We have a problem with the actual high pressure fuel pump, and that's a very common thing with these minis, and I've seen this even on BMWs. You see, I'm revving it up, and it's actually going lower than what it was at idle. So this is your diagnostic on this problem. It's the high pressure fuel pump. You can buy or replace it yourself. They're very easy to do. So again, I hope this helps you guys. It's a pretty easy diagnostic, but you have to pay attention to these things. Okay guys, thanks for your support. Please like my videos and please subscribe so I can create more videos so you can get more help and save thousands of dollars on these repairs. Thanks a lot guys. Please like and please subscribe. Thank you.